how to add project, manage projects. We're here to help you add a new project to your account. To get started, simply click on the New Projects tab. This will take you to the project management page. Here, you'll see an Add Project Plus button. Click on it to create a new project. Now, it's time to enter some project details. First, you'll need to enter the project name. Next, choose the relevant client name from the drop-down menu. If the client is not available, simply select Not Available. After that, select the project type from the options available. Then, enter the project price, start date, end goal, country, state, city, and any additional notes or information. Once you've entered all the details, you can set the percentage completed for the project. This will help you to showcase the progress. This percentage will also be visible to your customers. If you want, you can also assign project rights to one or more agents or managers. This will allow them to automatically transfer customer queries related to the project. You can also choose to notify staff members about the new project by selecting Yes or No. Finally, click on the Add Project button to submit your new project. And that's it. You've successfully added a new project to your ITland CRM account. Thanks for using ITland CRM. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlands.com.